In this video, I'll show you how to see your match history in eFootball. If you want to check your recent matches, view your past results, or keep track of your performance, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the eFootball app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on Extras. Now, tap on User Information. In the User Information menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Match History. That's it. Here you'll find a list of your recent matches. You can see details such as whether you won, lost, or drew the match, the final score, the date and time it was played, and the game mode. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your match history in eFootball. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or run into any problems, just leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.